Hi travel agents and travel professionals. Today in this video, we're focusing on the pre-sales process for you to acquire new customers. Travel professionals are always researching for new tactics to approach new customers. This has turned out to be a massive opportunity to build trust. If a customer trusts you, you've already won the game. However, in order for you to earn his trust, you need to approach him in the right way, use the right wording as well, which is very, very important. That's why our professional copywriting team has produced 50, yes, 50 sales and follow-up templates to start approaching your customers by different channels like email or LinkedIn. It's a one-off investment which you can use on a regular basis. Scroll down the page, see some examples that we have, and start using these templates for you to acquire new customers.